Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2012 Dodge Avenger SXT Plus, stock number B9365A. Only 39,000 miles in this one owner, local trade. We sold this Avenger brand new, Redline in color. The Avenger is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. And not only low miles, but very clean, as you can see. Nice size trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This SXT Plus has keyless entry with a remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 6.5-inch touchscreen, 4 radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 20 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. And also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Heated front seats and automatic temperature control. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. And power moonroof control overhead. Under the hood, this Avenger has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Avenger, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.